A baby monitor at its most basic allows you to see and hear your child while they sleep in another room. A traditional one uses local radio frequency, while a new crop of Wi-Fi-enabled monitors offer additional features like tracking sleep patterns, growth, and breathing. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 baby monitors 2024 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Monkazi 1080p High-Performance Video Baby Monitor. Monkazi is best known for producing breast pumps, but the brand's foray into baby monitors has been a huge hit, so much so the only issue you may have is finding it in stock. MFM reviewer Emily, a first-time mom, described this monitor as having exceptional picture quality and couldn't praise the 1080p high-definition video enough. Although the parent unit has a relatively compact 5-inch screen, the quality of the video feed makes this more than enough. Sleep expert Chris McFadden echoed our tester's comments that the quality of video is top class, adding, "It's definitely one of the best monitors I've used in this price range." The aim of the monitor is to offer best-in-class Wi-Fi-free performance with a focus on offering only the features parents really need to keep the price competitive. You won't find additions like a nightlight or a motion sensor, but there is a full pan and tilt camera, a temperature sensor, two-way talk and lullabies, and a handy Vox voice-activated mode to save battery. Number 2. Motorola VM483 Video Baby Monitor. If you're looking for a video monitor on a tighter budget, this Motorola model offers all the basic features you need and is staggering value, often on sale for around £60. Although still an investment compared to a very basic audio monitor, it's significantly cheaper than the smart monitors and tracking monitors that now dominate the market, and comes from a brand that offers a good sturdy build. This monitor operates without Wi-Fi, which is great if you have reservations about connecting your baby monitor to your home network and/or downloading an app. It has a range of up to 1,000 feet, about 300 meters, which should be fine for most houses, and though it doesn't pan remotely, the camera itself has a well-designed stand that can be angled to get a good view of the cot, and there's a built-in digital zoom too. Number 3. BabySense HD Split-Screen Baby Monitor. If you have more than one young child, you'll need a baby monitor that can be expanded with multiple cameras. While a number of the models listed here have the option to add an extra camera, this model goes one better by also offering a split-screen display on a single parent unit. The package comes with 2 cameras as standard, but you can add up to 4 in total, although you can only see 2 on screen at any time. Parent tester Alexandra added, "I love the split screen, and the dual camera functions work really well. The night vision is excellent, the audio is clear and unbroken. The screen is a really good size, and the battery life is amazing. I also love the two-way talkback functionality. The camera has pan and tilt options plus 2x and 4x zoom and clear night vision. There are also built-in white noise and lullabies." However, although BabySense does make a breathing monitor, this model doesn't have any of the more smart features like movement alerts or a Wi-Fi connection and app. Number 4. Best, less expensive, Wi-Fi Baby Monitor. For a more affordable Wi-Fi enabled monitor that has some smart features, both Libracio and Nevers recommend the Lollipop. Libracio says it's a popular choice among Babylist users because the monitor is cute, modern, and comes in a bunch of fun colors. Nevers likes that it's tiny and therefore very portable. Unlike the Nanit, it requires no mounting hardware, thanks to the camera's bendable silicone base. You can wrap it around the bars of the crib or put it on a dresser, explains Libracio. It comes with a wall mount, should you want to coil it around that. Nevers adds that this monitor is especially good for newborns because you can hook it around a crib rail and point it in any direction you want. Like the Nanit, however, the camera is fixed and you cannot adjust it unless you physically move it. As far as its smart features go, the monitor can detect crying and other noises, whether the baby is trying to climb out of the crib, and tracks sleep patterns and monitors breathing. A free 7-day subscription to access that data is included. Number 5. Best, less expensive, non-Wi-Fi baby monitor. The Eufy, which is about $30 cheaper than the Infant Optics, is the monitor of choice for 2 of the experts I spoke to. It feels like a modern tech product versus something that you would have seen 10 years ago, says Zalewski. He calls out the slim and lightweight parent unit, excellent image quality, and intuitive user interface. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price. please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.